Video. Hello, this is part 2 of the white noise because I gotta film it in like 5-minute sections because my computer won't load it.
Oh, it's in here somewhere. There's a tape in here. There's a tape in here. I can hear it. I can hear it. Where is it? I see it.
It's you.
Yeah. Let's go. Run. No, run this way. Oh wait, no, never mind. You can go through here. Now we're gonna go this way. I'll be on the other side of this door. That happened one time, remember? Tombstone! I see a tombstone. No, Jesus! Oh, look to our right. He's there. Oh, no, he's not. He disappeared. Oh, God! Run! Don't stop. Don't stop. Alright, let me look behind us. Oh, Jesus. So, yeah. We're gonna die. What do you have to add to this, David?
Yeah. We're screwed!
Oh, Jesus!
Let's do that again.
I don't want to. Check behind us.
Yeah, he's there.
Still there. Run, run, run. You're running faster than I am.
Why do you think I picked this person?
Where'd he go?
This chick's fast.
Alright, we'll go this way. Straight hallway. Uh-oh. I can see a bookcase at the far end.
Oh wait, this is the library.
He's there! He's there! He's there!
Dude, there's a recording in here somewhere. We can find it.
I hate you so much. I hate being left in the dust.
Where are you? Oh yeah, he's back there.
Holy crap.
Do you see the recording?
No.
I can hear it pretty strong.
Really close.
And Gandalf's back.
Hey.
Hey.
I grabbed it. Let's go!
Hey, guys, stop playing white noise. So
No, man, we got 4 tapes.
No, we gotta play a different video game.
Dude, we could have beat this if you stayed in here.
Yeah, oh, I see another tombstone.
Never tombstone, my buddy's screen, can't see it. It's gone.
It's right here.
Hey, Lance, what if they made Fallout a multiplayer game?
Oh my god, I would probably, yeah. It's inappropriate what I would do.
Oh, yeah, he's right there.
Oh, jeez.
See, I always feel like they would be able to do that in Fallout. No, he's on the other side.
Okay.
I feel like the only thing restraining them from doing that in Fallout would be the VAT.
Whoa, your shadow scared the crap out of me.
Dude, he's right behind me. I know it. I'm gonna die.
No, he's not behind you. Look. Oh, Jesus. Where are you?
Behind you.
What? Dude, he's not over there anymore. Let's go. He has trapped us in this corridor. I'm so scared right now.
He's to our left.
I know, I saw him. I hear tape.
I see a tape, I'm pretty sure.
Grab the tape. Grab it.
I don't see it.
Grab it.
It's usually right here. Oh, there it is.
Grab the tape. Oh, man.
5 tapes. We're pros.
He wanted to kill us. He wanted to kill us. Oh, man. I don't want to do this anymore. Yes, let's go. Wait. You check left, I'll check right. I'll check left, you check right. So that I check both ways.
We're good for now.
Check behind us.
I don't want to, though. No, he's not behind us, strangely.
Oh my god, I don't like these corridors. He's gonna be on the other side of these doors, I know he is.
See, I think what the problem is he's right behind you.
What?
I'm him.
Yeah, let's go. We found 6 tapes. We need 2 more. Let's get out of here.
Don't beat the game, no.